Did you know there's a real maple syrup cartel and someone robbed it for $18 million? Quebec's Federation of Quebec Maple Syrup Producers controls the world's maple syrup supply from a single warehouse in rural Canada. Think OPEC, but for breakfast tables. They set prices, manage stockpiles, and keep the global market stable. No one moves syrup without their say. Then between 2011 and 2012, something quietly went wrong. Thieves with deep knowledge of the operation began draining barrels. Not all at once. Slowly, methodically, barrel by barrel, replacing real syrup with water. Nearly 3,000 tons vanished over more than a year before anyone noticed. It only unraveled during a routine inventory check. Inspectors lifted barrel lids expecting amber gold, and found nothing but water. The Quebec government responded like a national crisis had hit. Investigators traced the theft back to insiders who understood exactly how the warehouse operated, and exactly how long they had before anyone would look. The cartel had been robbed from within, and it almost worked perfectly.